Hey, what is going on guys? Tech enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu benchmark comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S10e against the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So we have the Snapdragon 855 versus the Kirin 980, 6GB of RAM on both of the phones, and the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the Samsung Galaxy S10e finished first by about 3 seconds, and overall it scored higher. Now in the breakdown of the categories, the Galaxy S10e scored higher for the CPU, the GPU, the UX. However, the Mate 20 Pro scored higher on the memory. So that is the end of this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.